Rockwoods International School, a centrally located state-of-art campus. We believe that school is a temple of learning, not a factory knowledge. We develop every child with an extraordinary framework designed by experienced teachers. Love must be the basis of right education, and not the intellect. We teach students to become independent learners who can recognize relationships between schools and subjects in the world outside, and learn to combine relevant knowledge. Rockwoods International, a social enterprise by NI shines and doctors to care each aspect developing your child. For every child development, school is offering indoor and outdoor games. Our unique features are smart classrooms, library and many more labs, also creative potential performing arts like music and dance forms. Rockwoods International School, a CBSE syllabi and II foundation school.